I don't even see the road. I trust you. This is the storm that hit today. Oh, last night technically. 2026, January. They said it's supposed to be a historic winter storm. I know what I was going to say, Mother.
Alright.
I'm doing it slowly.
Yeah.
You know, because the road and stuff looking all snowy. This is what Malden, Missouri looks like after all that snow.
It's still coming down.
This is coming into town.
It's still coming down.
And it's still coming down.
Oh my gosh, people are now fucking little carts like. People are crazy. I'm crazy for getting out.
Mm-hmm.
Subway's open, it looks like. No, Subway, yeah, Subway.
Yeah, they are open.
Either way, shop's open.
Of course.
You figure everything was shut down. I guess not.
It's not as bad as it looks. Oh, Malden Cemetery. When you're outside of town. There's the first Casey's when you walk into when you come into Malden. Why is it flashing? It's not flashing on
What flashing?
the sign out here. It's flashing on the video, but it's not flashing on. It's flashing. It's not flashing in real life.
Oh, people go well in front of me.
I'm gonna post this to my YouTube.